Hey guys, it's Vicki Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And you might have noticed that I made a couple videos. They were made yesterday, but I posted them today for you. But I was waiting on my scent of the month to come, but then I had to go to work and it came while I was gone. So now it's 1 o'clock in the morning, a little bit after, and I had to open it because I need to smell this scent. I heard it's amazing. Now, this month I did not get the warmer of the month. There's actually two of them. There's a mini and a full size. It's absolutely beautiful, but it doesn't match my decor. So I was like, well, I can't buy them all, but I do want to show it to you. Oh, my puppy's acting up here. He hasn't seen me, so he's excited. All right, so they're called Blue Agate. And there's a full and a mini, and that is what they look like. They look like a crystal. They're really pretty. And so let's go ahead and show you. This is what they look like when they are not turned on. Okay. And they are normally $50, but in the month of February, because this is the scent and warmer of the month for February 2022, my dog is chewing on all of my clothes. So it's going to be $45 in the month of February. And the mini warmer is normally going to be $25, but in the month of February, it's going to be $22.50. Okay? So let me show you again the beautiful warmers. And what does it say? Patterned after the soothing stone Blue Agate, gives off an all-natural vibe and a whole lot of zen. Available as a warmer and a mini warmer. Very, very pretty. Here's some nice pictures of it lit up. Very pretty. Okay. So now the scent of the month, which is what I got, it is called Sunburst Bamboo. And before I start reading all the stuff, I'm going to go ahead and smell it. So it's this pretty light green color. I'm smelling cucumber right off the bat, like sweet cucumber. This is absolutely beautiful. I really, really like this. I think this is going to be a big seller. Holy mackerel. Oh, wow. Okay. So it says lush sunburst bamboo and crisp cucumber under a sheer canopy of peony and offer a tranquil escape. It's in the fresh category. Man, it smells like just sweet cucumber. Oh my gosh, this dog. You guys, hold on 1 minute. Hold on. Somebody needs my attention. Holy moly. Holy moly. Ugh. He's like a little piranha. His teeth are so sharp. He's a little puppy. Oh my gosh. That boy. That boy. Okay. All right. That was drama. Okay. So let's go ahead and get back to this. Okay. The top notes are sunburst bamboo, cucumber, lemon peel, Sicilian bergamot. All I'm really getting is that beautiful cucumber scent. The mid notes are jasmine, lily of the valley, juicy melon, and peony. So the mid notes are all florals, except for I do smell the juicy melon. That might be where the sweetness comes from. Wow. Oh my gosh, this dog is too much. And the base notes are vanilla pods, musk, and blonde wood. I don't really smell a lot of that. I just smell melon and cucumber, and it is absolutely beautiful. Okay, so this bar is going to be 10% off in the month of February. So it is going to be, instead of $6, it's going to be $5.40. And it's also going to come in room spray and scent circle. Ooh, I got to end this video fast because this dog is like too much, you guys. But seriously, this is going to be a big seller. This is a fantastic scent. So if you would like a sample, please let me know. Find me in my links. Let me know, and I will get you a sample shipped out ASAP. Okay? So I hope you're having a great day, and I will talk to you later. Holy mackerel, this dog. All right, guys. Bye.